outdated, negative content holding you back? Your online presence is your first impression. But what happens when outdated, negative, or defamatory content threatens your reputation? Hi, I'm a senior online reputation consultant, having more than 15+ years of experience and served 5K+ clients worldwide from SakeryOnlineReputation.com. We specialize in removing harmful content from the internet so you can focus on what truly matters, growing your business and living your best life. From outdated news articles, defamatory blogs, and unwanted images to old videos, abandoned social media accounts, and irrelevant business listings, we handle it all. Our proven process ensures that negative or harmful content is either removed or de-indexed from search results, reducing its visibility online. Here's how it works. We identify and analyze the negative content. Our reputation experts work to have it removed, suppressed, or de-indexed. We help you rebuild a strong, positive online reputation. Don't let your past define your future. Let us help you take control of your digital presence today. Contact us now for a free consultation. Your reputation, our priority. Call us, +1 646 844 2774. Email us, contact@SakeryOnlineReputation.com. Start your journey to a clean online reputation now.